Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another day. Today is very special. It's Marlson's birthday. Marlson, Mommy and Daddy, we're sorry that we're not able to be with you on your birthday on this special day, but as you're going to school, coming back, we just ask that God's protection is with you all the time, and make sure that you and we're forever grateful for you. Mira, it's okay. You're thinking about breakfast now? We're trying to open up our video for Marlson. Mommy's thinking about food. Okay. Ooh. Where is my face? Oh, there you go. We're gonna start this day. It's a beautiful day here in Kansas, and Stephen is here to pick us up. Mira, Marlson, I'll talk to you when you get back home from school. I got something for you. All right.
One eternity later.
Dad, we say take the ice cream up. Bruh. Dude. What are these, man? Dude, I got lamellas, bro. Bro, these are tough, dude. These are tough. 1 of 1? You already know the vibes, cut. You already know the vibes, man.
Put this in the trash first. No?
Bruh. Why can't you do it yourself, no? Happy birthday, Bart. Bro. What is in here? What's in here? Bro. Oh. Are these sweatpants? Or a hoodie? A crew neck. Oh my goodness. You already know what time it is, dude. What's this? What's this? My compression shorts. Bro, these are actually cold, bro. I can use this for like white. Hold on. I gotta try these on because if these don't fit me.
One eternity later.
Waar is Steven? Zou ik even pot nerokeren? Oh, Rafa no sukur. Vai check up, Pi? Ja, ko pasero ya nili. Ja, check mai sa 50 Chuukese ka puyer merkari. Okay. Okay, Marlson. Elston and Mars. Marlson, Elston and Mars. I'm gonna go represent you guys and Mommy and our family to go wish Grandma happy birthday. Ek. What you now never need. Alright. Yeah. Okay. Oopsie. Alright. Okay. We're gonna wish Grandma happy birthday. Okay.
Happy birthday! Thank you!
Happy birthday, Grandma!
Good job!
Happy birthday! Shout birthday, Wawo. Took a taco spice. I hope it's still in here. Let's see. Where's my spice? Last time I came here, I brought my own spice. Oh, there it is. There it is. Man, there's paprika and I bought paprika too. Alright. Well, I'm gonna borrow this too. Parsley flakes. Okay. What are you spice? Mira, it's up to. Mission accomplished. All right, now we're off to go and we're gonna go at Steven's place and then we're gonna go get some coffee in our system because Mr. Lore is about to get off work, and then yeah, we're just gonna go have a little coffee at Stephen's place. I brought our coffee. Yeah, and then Mommy's gonna go cook for Grandma's birthday. Okay. Talk to you soon. Kau cook nepure. Apa? Hello. Emelor ya wawu pasya. Benar City One. Niya Grandma Pansi. How do you cari pucik karai? And my print. I brought coffee and my print. Rawo parwiyik. I was no coffee red. Grandma mimi. Lor pure. Ito kitiro coffee red. Fancy. Ready to get out. What a beautiful day. Yes. Oh, pretty shoes. Hey, what's up? Oh yeah, you're watching. Huh? Yeah. Morning. Oh, hi. Sudah di review. Hi. Oh. Hi. volevo kato TV. Huh? Okay, right there. Yeah. Wait. New couple. Real life. Real life. Butchaki reggae lili. Ah, sa barbecue kasi. Huh? Ese pari watte. Butchik me to par kator kad. Chal. Ira siapa pacu ki sero. Okay. Mira, siapa pacu.